Hello, my loves. It's Kasha Panorista 101. I have one more box to share with you guys today. So this is an order from Daily Grind, and I am on a creative theme for them. So super excited about that. This is the rest of the stuff that I got post the launch day. So let me show you what it is, and then we'll go from there. So I got one of their cozy blankets. So let me go ahead and open this and show you what it actually looks like. So I did get the bunny growth that matches my planner. So where did I put my scissors, huh? Okay, I don't know anything anymore. And I have two inserts to show you guys, but let me do the blankie first. So it is like it's the bunny pattern, right? Because it's the bunny growth. And then okay. Inside of it is checkered, you guys. It is so beautiful. And I think I'm gonna keep it in my planner room. So it's 51 inches by 71 inches. And like I said, it is stunning. I think I'm just gonna keep it in my planner room, and when I get cold, it's like a perfect summer blanket because it's not like it doesn't feel too hot. So let me go ahead and show you the insert. So I have the home refresh guide and then the springtime insert. So I'm going to show you both so you know what we're looking at. So here we go. So this is a 30-page insert. I'm going to grab my Daily Grind. So we have a spring insert. So springtime mood, must-watch movies, bookmarks, reading lists, so many things. DIY ideas, bucket list, trackers, monthly calendars, playlists, themed recipes. So we have a spring aesthetic quiz, you guys. So what is exactly is the springtime mood? So we have a quiz with questions, and it's like, what's your favorite spring themed dessert? Lemon tart with fresh berries, shortbread cookies with the honey glaze, rose water macaroons with raspberry filling. And questions like that. Where's your ideal spot to curl up with a book? So lots of questions here, 3 pages of them. And then social butterfly, it tells you like what you are. Then we have notes and ideas. Look, you have all of these things that you can color in. How cute. Now we have a bookmark that we can just cut along. So we have a couple of them. Color that in. And then you have a bookmark. How cute. There's 4 of them. Then we have April. Look at that. May. Must watch list. How cute. Peter Rabbit, La La Land, Lord of the Rings, and stuff like that. Jungle Cruise, Eat, Pray, Love, Legally Blonde. Then you have notes and ideas on the back of this. And then we have must watch lists, and it's like empty for you guys to fill out. There's one, there's another one. And then spring movie ratings. And then must read spring list. And then you have an empty one as well. To be read spring list. And then you have like a whole insert on the back. And then favorite spring book reading. Then we have a playlist. Look at this, butterflies. Here comes the sun. Put your record on. Sunday morning. Walking on sunshine. Oh my gosh. And then you have an empty one on the back where you can fill in your own things. Then we have a spring crafting projects. They have a spring beaded spring jewelry, floral embroidery hoop, painted bird bungalow, hand painted tier candles, clay pinch pot vase, paper spring origami, mosaic garden stone, miniature fairy garden, decorative wreath, pressed petal bookmark, fabric flower tote bag, terracotta bloom pots, custom garden marker, spring floral arrangements. And then you have spring projects on the back. We have a spring bucket list, and that's pretty full, which is great. Go on a picnic, learn how to roller skate, wear pastels, go on a nature walk, have a springtime photo shoot, stuff like that. And then we have springtime memories, and it gives you like a Polaroid thing, and then on the back as well, favorite pictures. Then we have April monthly, and then we have April consistency tracker, April tracking spring feels, and then you have a color code that you can do on the bottom for excited, productive, math, anxious, grateful, happy, sad, mad. Ugh. Then we have the same thing for May. And we have a consistency tracker and tracking sheet for mood, and it's flowers. And then we have spring cocktail recipes. So berry breeze, meadow mule, garden dewdrop, super cute, lilac lemonade, citrus bloom, sakura kiss. Wow, that is cool. And then picnic recipes, and then you have a couple pages of recipes to do on your own. So, or a couple spots on one page. So ingredients and then instructions. Look how cute this is, right? Super cute. And then the second insert that I purchased is called a home refresh guide. This one is 24 pages. So take a look. I have no clue what's in here because I'm opening all of this with you guys. So home refresh guide, deconstruct, liquidate, clean, organize. So let's go ahead and take a look. So part 1 is a pre-assessment. So your journey begins with understanding your current space. The function phase helps you elevate your starting point and set clear goals for your home transformation. So this is like a very deep dive. And then how would you rate rooms, like each room organization? How cool is that? Then we have some self-assessments, room revival. So then you have room by room, like living room, all of these things. It's pretty deep, right? And look at this beautiful like living room image. Then you have kitchen. Super cute. So in these you have like reflect, and then what's working in the space, what isn't, what's one habit you would like to develop in relation to the space, what's your ideal morning routine in this space, how can you make your self-care rituals more enjoyable here. And then we have like clean, organize, and there's different things that you can do, a picture before, a picture after of what it looks like. And then joy check, like yeah, that is pretty in detail. So all of these things are going like room by room. So we have bedroom. So very similar things, clean, organize, lots of like questions. So storage area, what's working in the space, what isn't? What activities could the space support if better organized? How can you make frequently used items more accessible? So these are questions that are like cataloged based on the room. They're not the same for every single area. But yeah, it is a very deep dive into your home. And then you have a couple empty rooms that you can do. So like for us, we have multiple bedrooms or like offices that we can do that too. So you have couple, let's see, you have couple extra rooms that you can add. And then strategic shifts is the next one. Clutter to cash, revenue tracker, reinvent and refresh, home improvement, shopping list, reinvest and refresh, and part 4 is lasting habits. Like, look how cool this is. Then we have daily cleaning tasks, daily, weekly, monthly, seasonally. Love that. Then weekly schedule. So like cleaning and stuff, super cool. And that is it, you guys. So those are the 2 inserts I got with the blanket. I hope you guys enjoyed this like overview of what this is. I do want to say that the paper from Daily Grind is absolutely superb. So I've been using pretty heavy like markers and stuff in here. Like, look at this, so yellow, and they seem to be holding up just perfectly fine. So I'm gonna be putting those inserts right in here. I'm not ready to start my home thing yet. I will soon, but the spring insert is gonna live within my planner right away. Let's go ahead and kind of put this in together into my planner, and then I'll keep you posted on how this goes in April and May. I'm very excited. I love filling out pages like this with a purpose. So here we go. A couple more. Yeah, so 4 months, even with additional 30 pages. It's chunky, but it's completely closable. I am using the deluxe cover because I do carry this quite a bit outside of my home. But if I didn't, I probably would have went to the Coquette Collection. So anyway, you can use code Kasha for a 10% off with Daily Grind. I do appreciate it a lot when you guys use my code. And if you have any questions, obviously just reach out. I always answer, or I try to. And then I am pretty open to questions. So yeah, thank you so much, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.